How to fix if you are having issues with your SIM card or cellular network on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are having issues with your SIM card or cellular network on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to tackle those frustrating messages like no service, searching, and invalid SIM, especially after some iOS update. So, let's get started. First thing first, you can try is toggling airplane mode. Here's how. You need to simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Then you need to tap on airplane icon to turn it on. Wait a few seconds and then you need to tap it again in order to turn it off. This simple step can refresh your cellular network and might just fix the issues. If toggling airplane mode does not work, the next step is to restart your iPhone. Here's how to do it. You need to simply press the volume up button and then power button in order to slide your phone to turn off. And you need to simply slide to power it off and wait for a few moments and then you need to turn it back on. This will reboot your device and can often resolve connectivity issues. If you have tried both of these methods and you are still having trouble, it might be time to check your SIM card or contact your carrier for further assistance. Remember, these steps are applicable to any iPhone running iOS 16 or above. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.